Hi, I'm Colt Sebastian Taylor, adventurer, entrepreneur, and amateur weatherman, and welcome to my first report of the great blizzard of 2016, also known as Winter Storm Jonas. Right now, the snow is building in, but it hasn't fallen here quite yet in Paoli. The salt trucks and brine trucks are down, laying down, preparing for what will be maybe 20 inches of snow. I will continue my reporting throughout the storm in various locations, so be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back later. I'm Colt Sebastian Taylor, and I'll see you later.